WILLECO is an eco-friendly fuel additive made from plants. WILLECO is a revolutionary new technology invented in Japan. WILLECO is patented by the Japan Patent Office. It can be used for all petroleum fuels such as gasoline, diesel oil, bunker oil, jet fuel and kerosene. If you are a manufacturer of fuel additives, lubricants, and engine oils, you will be able to make huge profits by manufacturing and selling WILLECO. If you are a wholesaler or distributor, we sell you raw powder of WILLECO at cheap price, so you can make a big profit by selling it to fuel additives, lubricants, and engine oil makers. So, please watch this video to the end. WILLECO has 4 unique features not found in conventional fuel additives. 1. Reduce harmful exhaust gas. By adding WILLECO, petroleum fuel can be burned almost completely, reducing harmful substances in exhaust gas by about 90%. 2. Improve fuel consumption efficiency. By increasing combustion efficiency, fuel consumption efficiency can be improved around 30%. At the same time, the same amount of CO2 can be reduced. 3. Preserve petroleum fuel for long periods. Petroleum fuels usually deteriorate in a few months and become unusable. However, if you add WILLECO to petroleum fuel, it can be stored for more than 10 years. 4. Produce more white oil. By adding WILLECO to crude oil and refining it, more white oil such as gasoline, diesel oil, kerosene, and jet fuel can be produced. WILLECO is extremely easy to manufacture. There is no need to build new special factories or equipment to manufacture WILLECO. WILLECO can be easily manufactured by using equipment owned by your company. Then, let us explain the business plan we propose for fuel additive. 1. We manufacture WILLECO raw material powder at our plant in Japan and export it to your company. 2. Using your equipment, mix the raw material powder with petroleum fuel such as kerosene, and leave it in a closed tank for around 48 hours. WILLECO liquid completed. 3. Your company sells WILLECO liquid. Your company is free to decide the selling price of WILLECO and sell it. And you will receive all the sales profit. We only receive the price of the raw powder. This is our business plan and proposal. Then, let's simulate how much profit you would get if you buy WILLECO powder, manufacture and sell liquids, assuming you are a manufacturer of fuel additives, lubricating oils, and engine oils. Let's say your company buys WILLECO powder from us for $6 a gram US dollar. From 1 gram of WILLECO, you can make 500 milliliters of WILLECO liquid. 1 liter of gasoline requires only 1 milliliter of WILLECO liquid. Therefore, 500 milliliters of WILLECO liquid can be used for 500 liters of gasoline. Thus, the price of WILLECO powder required by 1 liter of gasoline is $6 divided by 500 liters equals 1.2 cents. Let's say your company sells a WILLECO liquid bottle 60 milliliters for $6. Assume that the gasoline price at that time is $1 per 1 liter. The price of 60 liters of gasoline is $60. Assume that you add 1 WILLECO liquid bottle 60 milliliters to this 60 liters of gasoline, and it improves fuel consumption efficiency by 30%. Since 60 liters x 30% equals 18 liters, your customers can save 18 liters of gasoline. The price of 18 liters of gasoline is $18, so your customers can save as much as $18 with a bottle of WILLECO liquid 60 milliliters. In other words, your customers can save as much as $18 by paying $6 for WILLECO liquid bottle. Therefore, your customers will definitely be happy to buy a WILLECO liquid bottle from you. So how much your profit is, if you sell a WILLECO liquid bottle for $6? The cost of buying WILLECO powder per bottle is 1.2 cents x 60 milliliters equals 72 cents. And let's say the liquid manufacturing cost is 80 cents. 72 cents plus 80 cents equals 152 cents, which means that the total cost of purchasing WILLECO powder and manufacturing liquids is 152 cents, or about $1.50. Since $1.50 equals $4.50, your profit per bottle of WILLECO liquid is $4.50. It means that you can earn $4.50 by paying $1.50 for buying WILLECO powder and manufacturing liquids. In other words, every time you sell a WILLECO liquid bottle, you can make a profit of 3 times the cost. If your company buys 12 kilograms of WILLECO powder for $72,000, Spends $80,000 for manufacturing WILLECO liquid and sell 100,000 WILLECO liquid bottles. Your sales will be $600,000. Since the total cost is $150,000, you can make a profit around $450,000. At the same time, your company has contributed to improving fuel consumption efficiency by about 1.8 million liters of gasoline, which has reduced CO2 emissions by about 4,000 tons. If you sell your reduced CO2 in the emissions trading market for $80 per ton, you can make another profit of $320,000. So, if you buy WILLECO powder for $72,000, your maximum profit can be around $770,000. If you are a wholesaler or distributor, you can use this revenue simulation to persuade your customers such as fuel additive, lubricant, and engine oil manufacturers to buy WILLECO powder. We are quite sure that many of them will be very interested in your proposal, and you can conclude a sales purchase contract with them. If you buy WILLECO powder from us and sell it to fuel additive, lubricant and engine oil manufacturers at a higher price, your company will make a big profit. Maybe, you will be wondering like this. Why don't you sell WILLECO liquid bottle by yourself? Why are you selling WILLECO powder at such a low price? Because our goal is to solve the air pollution problems all over the world. We are convinced that WILLECO is the best solution to solve the air pollution problem. And we want to spread WILLECO to the world as soon as possible. We are convinced that the best way to achieve our goal is this: our business plan of selling raw powder of WILLECO to you at a reasonable price. WILLECO is a new technology which has been born recently. Therefore, WILLECO is hardly known even in Japan. Also, the number of demonstration experiment data is extremely limited. The number of Japanese customers buying WILLECO is small, and we do not yet have the names of large companies such as Toyota and Honda on our customer list. However, it is a fact that WILLECO has obtained a patent from the Japan Patent Office. It is also true that customers who use WILLECO are amazed and appreciate its extraordinary effect at Amazon, etc. We are confident that WILLECO will expand explosively around the world, and WILLECO will be highly appreciated by people all over the world in the very near future. Just as Bitcoin has increased its value millions of times in only 10 years. Or just like Tesla, which was a small, unknown company when it was founded, has grown into the world's #1 automobile company in just less than 20 years. We are convinced that WILLECO has a great potential to become an environmental and energy Bitcoin. Perhaps a very chance to buy an environmental and energy Bitcoin at the lowest price has come to you just now. Now you have two options. One is to ignore this message from us. The other is to bet on the possibility of environmental and energy Bitcoin, win big business successes, grow your company into a big one like Tesla, and make huge fortunes like Elon Musk. Here I send you the words of Andrew Carnegie. The first man gets the oyster, the second man gets the shell. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.